Pwede mo na ba ako isulat ng liham ngayon, Nick? Siguro pwede mong gamitan ng ilang salitang pamakata.
Siyempre, Magno. Ganito halimbawa, why so pale and one fond lover?
Ay, ang gandang pakinggan yan, Nick. Parang misteryoso. Yung bang... Hindi ko maintindihan ang ibig sabihin, pero ang ganda. Parang si Clara din. Kailangan ng diksyonaryo.
Hindi na natin kakailanganin ng diksyonaryo.
Kailangan ng mas maraming salitang malalim.
Akala ko ayaw mo ng salitang malalalim.
Mas maganda kung mas maraming salitang malalim. Ikaw. You.
You.
Ikaw.
You. Ikaw ang ligaya sa buhay. You are the joy in life.
Ang ganda sa English. Sa piling mo'y walang kamatayan.
In your arms, there is no death.
Puso ko'y nangumpisal.
My heart has confessed
Sa birheng dalanginan
to the Blessed Virgin
na ang pangarap ko'y
that my dream is.
ikaw ang aking panaginip. Ikaw ang tibok ng titig. Puso umiibig, dinggit umaawit, tinatagoy ay pag-ibig.
Ikaw ang ligaya sa bawang ligaya sa piling mo'y walang kamatayan. Puso ko'y nangumpisa sa birheng dalanginan na ang pangarap ko'y ikaw, ikaw, sa piling mo'y walang kamatayan. Puso ko'y nangumpisan sa birheng dalanginan na ang pangarap ko'y
Cosma. That's a beautiful ring, Auntie Eleanor. I've never seen anything like it.
Nick's father had it made when he proposed to me.
It's very romantic. How did you guys meet?
Well, actually, they met at Cambridge. They're both studying law together.
Oh, I didn't know you were a lawyer.
I wasn't. I withdrew from university when we got married.
Oh.
I chose to help my husband run a business and to raise a family. For me, it was a privilege. But for you, you may think it's old-fashioned. It's nice you appreciate this house and us being here together wrapping dumplings. But all this doesn't just happen. It's because we know to put family first instead of chasing one's passion.
哦，你们大家都在这儿啊！
Amma,
妈妈，
thank you.
哦，Nick，
Come and sit.
哦，你把 Rachel 也带来了。 白天我看你看得更清楚了，你的鼻子长得很好，很有福气。我看看你的脸，过来。长得真好看，清楚了。坐吧，坐吧，孙子。
Right. We're almost done here. Just a few more baskets.
哎呦，这是你包的饺子吧？怎么包那么难看呢？退步了，啊？